I'm going to read some stories that are based on gardening and farming, because this is the time of the year when we normally get to plant and water and pick our vegetables from our garden at school. Miss Lindsay has gone and planted some things for us that we've been watering and taking care of, so when we come back in August, we'll get to take care of our garden and eat some vegetables. This first book is called 5 Tough and Tiny Seeds, and you're going to recognize the tune because it's very similar to a speckled frog song that we like to sing. This book is written by Steve Metzger, and it's illustrated by Mike Byrne. Hopefully once you get the hang of it, you'll sing it with me at your house. 5 tough and tiny seeds sat on a slender reed, waiting for springtime winds to blow. Whoosh, whoosh. There they are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One landed on the ground, sniffed by a happy hound. How many are left? Then there were 4 tough tiny seeds. 4 tough and tiny seeds sat on a slender reed, waiting for springtime winds to blow. Whoosh, whoosh. One landed near a lake, beside a wriggly snake. Not very happy, that tough and tiny seed. Then there were 3 tough tiny seeds. 3 tough and tiny seeds sat on a slender reed, waiting for springtime winds to blow. Whoosh, whoosh. Are you singing with me? I hope so. One landed near a tree, buzzed by a bumblebee. How many are left? You're right. Then there were 2 tough tiny seeds. 2 tough and tiny seeds sat on a slender reed, waiting for springtime winds to blow. Whoosh, whoosh. That one's trying to hold on. Don't let me go. One landed by a road, next to a slimy toad. What's that toad doing in the road? Then there was 1 tough tiny seed. 1 tough and tiny seed sat on a slender reed, waiting for springtime winds to blow. Whoosh, whoosh. It landed on a rock, close to a watchful hawk. Then there were no tough tiny seeds. Five tough and tiny seeds blown from a slender reed. Raindrops are falling from the sky. Drip, drop. With bright and warmer days, now comes the month of May. Now it's the time for seeds to grow. Five seeds begin to sprout just as the sun comes out. What will they all turn out to be? What do you think they're going to be? Growing taller by the hour, each one a different flower. That's what became of 5 tough tiny seeds. We have a rose, dandelion, sunflower, cosmos, and a wild carrot. The last page here talks about the life cycle of a seed. It goes from a seed to the seed moving, to the seed being germinated, being in the soil, and rain coming, and the sun, and then the roots and shoots. Roots go down into the ground and absorb the water and the soil. And then the shoots are the new parts of the plants that come up. And then there's leaves. Leaves take in the sunlight and produce food for the plant called photosynthesis. And then the flowers start to bloom. And then there's pollination, which means that the wind blows some of the pollen from flower to flower. And insects also carry, that's what bees do. They carry the pollen to other flowers. And then the seeds get bigger. More fruit or pods will grow around them. And then they're ready to become new plants. And the cycle goes on and on. That shows the life cycle of a seed. That was a cute story. I hope you liked that one.